Hello everyone, it's Lindsay, and today I'm back with another unboxing for you guys. This one's a little bit late. Typically I unbox creative retreat kits for you on the 1st or 2nd of the month, but this one was a little bit delayed with, coronavirus is affecting everything. I was a little bit hesitant to even do an unboxing because this kit is sold out. I know so many of you guys are so very bummed, but I still wanted to unbox it to show you what comes in the kit for those of you who are waiting for their kit, but also to show you some of the alternatives in case you did miss out on the kit and some other options. So let's take a look at the kit here. And so it is sold out. I'm so sorry. So many of you guys went nuts, but they are talking about opening up the June box early for pre-order. That way, if you missed this one, you can get in a little bit early on the pre-order for next month. I know a lot of people are asking if there's going to be another run of this kit. They don't typically restock a kit, and with everything that's going on, it's hard to get the manufacturers to get their stuff out and to get it shipped and all that. So it's really difficult to even do another run on things right now. So that's not going to happen right now. But the devotional you can get in digital format. So you can purchase it from the digitals. I'll link it down below so you can still work through the devotional. And then there's some other digital options that you can work with. So this month is titled Flourish, and the devotional was written by Erin Davis. She has written several devotionals for Creative Retreat in the past, and I really enjoy her devotional content. And so this month, we are taking a look at the passage, Matthew 13, 3 through 7. Many of you are probably very familiar with this passage. It's the passage where Jesus is talking about the different soil types and the seeds being sown in those different soil types, equating that to the different heart conditions when you are evangelizing to people. Some people are very hardened and aren't receptive to the word. Some people are ready and receptive to the word, and fruit is born of that. And so that is what we are looking at. But one thing I really enjoy about the devotional this month is it kind of takes a little bit of a different perspective on this particular passage. Typically, we're talking about this in regards to evangelism and what it looks like evangelizing to different people, depending on what their heart condition is. But the devotional this month is looking at our heart condition. So Jesus invites us to take a soil sample of our hearts. So I love the imagery that they use with this, with the whole soil sample. We're all about growing and flourishing, but looking at our own hearts and doing little check-ins periodically to see, like, are we, plugged into our scripture regularly? Are we, involved in a church community? Are, all these things that we need to be conscious of as we look at our own faith walk. And so that's kind of what we're going to be looking at this month. Erin has several verses for us to dig into and do some study into, and then some great devotional content. And then over here we have the reflection questions that kind of help you interact with the different scriptures that are pointed out, as well as the devotional content. I usually like to go through the devotional once on my own, just pull out whatever I, maybe from my own past knowledge that I might have or my own study time, and then I dive into the reflection questions and see if they kind of take me somewhere different or point out something different that maybe I missed. And that's kind of my process for working through these. And so the nice thing is they are pretty short devotionals, so you can, do them super quick if you're somebody who's really busy and limited on time, or you can stretch it out. With the reflection questions, you could do one question a week, and then take you through the whole month. So just kind of depending on what your schedule looks like, you can make this kit kind of suit your needs. On the back here, you have your printed cardstock. This month is just a light blue grid pattern. You could cut this up and make journaling cards out of it, punch tabs out of it, you name it. There's lots of ways to utilize just the printed cardstock on the back. And like I said, you can't get the physical kit any longer, but you can get the devotional content as a digital printable. So definitely check that out if you're wanting to join in with us with the devotional content. Maybe you have an abundance of supplies in your stash and you need to bust through your stash. So grab the devotional and then just pull some items, create your own kit from items that you have in your stash, and work through the kit with us. That would be super, super fun. But let's take a look at the things that some of you are going to be getting in the physical kit. So here is the 3x4 stamp set. It has these really beautiful floral images. I like that they are separate from the stems. So if you're going to be stamping a big bouquet or something like that, you can kind of mix and match with the different stems and leaves to really create some variety with those stamps. That way you're not just repetitively stamping the same 2 flower stamps. So I like that those are separate. Also gives the opportunity to use different colored inks. So you can stamp this in like a pink, stamp this in a green, and so then that way you can use, multiple ink colors when you're stamping. We've got lots and lots of words in here that you can mix and match with past stamp sets or mix and match with the alpha stickers, but they're going to be going along with the devotional content. So you've got heart, bloom, fertile, root, soil, glory, for your, and flourish. I love these hand lettered ones. They are super fun. And then that fun little floral that's in there. So there is a look at the 3x4 stamp set. Next up, we are back to bow clips this month. So you have this burlap bow clip and then this really pretty watercolor floral. I am not surprised that this kit sold out. I am just blown away by the images in the kit this month. It's absolutely gorgeous. And I know you guys are going nuts for it too. So there's a look at the two bow clippies that you get. And then last but not least, you have your sticker sheets. So you have this set of alphas, and how fun are these? They're little leaves in 3 different colors of green, or 3 different shades of green. No numbers this month. We just have alphas and multiple of each letter, and I see some kind of sprinkled in the different colors, so you can kind of mix and match the different colors. So there is that. And then there is this sheet here that has the word Fetty. I will have color swatches over on my blog if you're wondering what mediums I've pulled to match the kit this month. Those will be over my blog. You can check that out. And stay tuned to the end of the video because there's a giveaway in this video, so stay tuned for that. And then you've got some of these watercolor florals. I think lots of us are pulling out our watercolors for this kit, and we're going to be getting messy with some paint. You got some wonky hearts, this really pretty tree, make my heart a fertile place, bloom and grow, heart soil for your glory. And then how fun is this soil conditions tab? I love the theme this month. It's super fun and a really good one to study. So there's a look at that. Now, if you missed out on this kit, they are now offering the sticker sheets from past kits individually in the shop. So for like $2, you can pick up the sticker sheets. So maybe go through the shop and find some stickers that are in similar colors or maybe a more neutral color and order those, and order the digital devotional and then maybe the printables, and then you can kind of put together your own kit. So check those out if you really love the Creative Retreat alpha stickers. Check out the shop because they do have past alpha stickers listed individually, as well as past stamp sets listed individually, so you can check that out. So there's a look at the physical kit. There's also a new printable set, so you can purchase this. Now there is a free printable that gets listed in the Facebook group later on in the month. This is different from that. This is one that you pay for. It comes with 3 sheets. My printer was naughty and printed front to back, so mine is done that way. But the nice thing about this is you can print it on whatever medium that you want. Clear sticker paper, white sticker paper. I have mine on cardstock. You could do vellum, you can do fabric, so many different mediums that you can print on. And as far as using it as personal use, you can print it as many times as you want. So some of these images I will definitely be printing over and over and over again as I work through this kit. So this first printable page has a bunch of tabs, some little circles. You've got those florals, again, some of those words from the stamp set and from the sticker sheet. So if you missed out on the physical kit, you can still get those stickers and just, make it yourself. I think that's awesome. You've got Isaiah 61:3, some faux washi strips down at the bottom there. How gorgeous are the colors this month? Super pretty. On this second page has the alphabet. So if you are tech savvy, if you're comfortable with a, Photoshop, I have a couple of videos for Silhouette Studio, which is a free program that you can work in. I'll link that video down below. You can pull these letters out and create your own words ahead of time and then print those out, or you could print this on clear sticker paper and then just fussy cut out the letters and create your words. And so that's a way that you can use the alphas. And then this time around, instead of having the patterned swatches that we've been getting the last couple of months, we have this fun little journaling spot. So this is sized to fit in the margins of a typical journaling Bible. And so you could run this through your typewriter, you could journal out your prayers, maybe take some notes. If you're creating a little mini book, you could scale this down and stick it in there. I love how it has even like a little faux washi on there. It's super cute. So that's page 2. And then page 3 is always my favorite. This is the journaling cards. So you get 6 3x4 journaling cards, and how adorable is this soil sample assessment card? And you get to mark off if it's dry, enriched, moist, deprived, fertile. I could see this being like an ongoing project. Maybe you want to do a little heart check once a week, once a month, for a couple months, and kind of see, are you staying on track? Are you staying as a fertile moist, enriched, soil in your heart, or are you, getting a little dry? Are you being a little deprived? So I think that this would be one that you could do over the course of several months. But I love this watercolor card. And then there's some here that leave some options for you to have room to journal in. Of course, if you print this on just, regular cardstock, then you have the back side as well if you wanted to do tip-ins. Typically, I do a little mini book process over on the Creative Retreat channel. I think one of the other girls on the team did that already. So if she did, I'll link her blog post down below for you guys so you can see her mini book. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to do that again this month, but you could definitely use those to create mini books. If you're a pocket scrapbooker, you can use those for that, or just use these as tip-ins and journaling cards in your journaling Bible. So there's a look at the 6 cards on there. So that printable comes with 3 pages. So you can purchase that. You could purchase the digital devotional and then, be set and work alongside us. So there is the new Flourish collection, but there's also a new free printable in the shop for all your kiddos. And I love that they did this. Again, it is free, so it's a free download. So maybe you're having a hard time finding time to sit down and Bible journal and not have your kiddos bugging you. So maybe grab this printable, let them sit down and create and color and be busy while you have your devotional time. I think this is perfect. So this comes with several pages, and from what I can see, it really is going to cover a wide variety of ages, whether they're just wanting to color in something. There's some like prompts and fill-in type worksheet pages, some activities that you can do as a family, just lots of good, just fun ways to get your kiddos to be sitting down and creating with you. I'm sure a lot of us use the time that they're at school as our creative time, but this gives them an opportunity to join in with us and, get to be a part of it. There's even a word search, some little cut aparts, super, super fun. I love the graphics. They're super cute. So this, again, is a free printable that you can go over to Creative Retreat and find over there. So there's a look at some of the new goodies over in the Creative Retreat shop. I will be sharing process videos over on their channel this month, so definitely be subscribed over there. And then as far as the giveaway, oh my gosh, you guys. So I have been a part of the Creative Retreat design team for 3 years now. I cannot believe that. And so every time that you guys shop my links, I earn store credit, and I have been banking that store credit for a long time. I haven't been using it, so I decided to cash in. Before this even sold out, I asked if I could get an extra kit and an extra set of the inks, the Creative Retreat inks that coordinate with the kit this month. And so I went ahead and used my credits towards that to do a giveaway for you guys. So one person will have the opportunity to win this month's kit plus the full set of inks that match the kit this month. All the details for the giveaway will be down in the description box, but what you need to do is like this video, subscribe to my channel, be subscribed to the Creative Retreat YouTube channel, and then leave a comment down below in my comments with either a verse or a theme that you might like to see in a future kit. Maybe that would be something that they would pull some ideas from, and maybe we'll have some kits in the future from your ideas that you guys put down there. So a verse or a theme, and try to think of some things that haven't been done yet. There's lots of devotional kits out there. Lots of things have been covered. So let's think outside of the box, maybe something that you haven't seen another company cover before, a specific verse or passage or story, and leave that as your comment down below, and that will be your entry. As far as all the rules and regulations, all of that will be in the description box, so be sure to check that out if you have questions about the giveaway and the dates, how far it's going to run and when I'm going to announce it. All that will be in the description box down below for you guys. So if you have any questions or comments, leave those down below. Check out the description box for links to everything that I showed today. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And until next time, thank you so much. Bye-bye.